Now, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to J4P Marketers. This video is going to show you how you will add a page manager to your page. Now, you have to listen. This action is very sensitive. It can ruin a lot of things you have worked for. So when you are carrying out this action, you want to make sure whatever you are doing, you are so sure of it. So if you are going to be adding someone to your Facebook page to manage for you, ensure you know this person, you trust this person, and you can guarantee safety with this person. So let's get into this. The first thing you want to do here is go to Google and click on Facebook to sign into the Facebook itself. Once you have signed into the Facebook, you will be faced with this kind of page, this kind of screen. So if you want to be sure that this page you currently have is a page you want to add someone, of course, sometimes you get to have your personal page shown. So, but to confirm, just look at the profile here. Look at the profile here and here. If it is not the page, then you can come down to this shortcut. If it's a page you have been working on for a while, you will see the shortcut here. But if you are not sure, you can't find it here, just go to See More, click on See More, then scroll down to Pages. You will see Pages here. Scroll down to Pages and click on Pages. Once you click on Pages, it will bring out a list of the pages you manage or that you have access to manage. So select the one you want from this list. For now, we're going to be selecting this. We used ours as an example. So when you select the page you want to manage, please note that you won't have access to do anything directly. Why? Because you need to, first of all, switch to that account. How do you do that? Very easy. You can see here, it says what? Switch into J4P Marketers page to start managing it. So go ahead, click switch now. Alhamdulillah, so we have switched to the page. You can see the same thing here. The old profile has changed to yours. You can see you are in control of everything. This is your page that you want to give access to. So now the next thing you want to do is click on the settings. Click on settings. Once you've clicked on settings, you want to come down to page setup. This is page setup here. Click page setup. Once you come to click page setup, you will find a lot of tools to work with here. You just need only one tool, which is what? The page access. In this page, you are going to invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. So here, when you click on it, you'll be faced with 3 types of ways to add access, which is number 1, people with Facebook access. The number 2 is people with task access. And the last one is business portfolio access. Meanwhile, most of the time, you won't see the business portfolio access. In fact, you don't want to even go there for now because that is a different level and can be explained in another video. If you want it, just drop it in the comment section that you want to learn how to add business portfolio access. So now down to what we are talking about. These 2 types, which is people with Facebook access and people with task access, are very sensitive. So you want to ensure you know what you are doing. I'm going to quickly run through this and for you to understand the differences between these 2 items. I'm going to run through this quickly for you to understand the differences between these 2 functions. The first one is with people with Facebook access. That means these people can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook or by using other tools such as Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. So mostly this person, if you give somebody access through this level, this person is going to be having access like the owner, just like you. So you want to be sure that the person you are giving this access is someone that you can trust because this person can do a lot to your Facebook page. The person can delete, can even remove you, can do a lot of things. So you have to be very, very careful when you are using this particular feature. However, the next one, which is people with task access, is limited. It's not like the one with Facebook access. This one, these people can switch into the page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using other tools such as Meta Business Suite or Creator. So you can give them limits in this case. If it is just advert you want the person to do for you, you use these people with task access. If it is just you want the person to just reply to messages, whatever you want, you use this. So generally, we recommend you use people with task access every point in time. Don't use people with Facebook access except you so much trust this person and you can guarantee the safety of your page with this person. So if you are not so sure, go with people with access, add new. Then you can see here it says task access means you can switch into the page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using other tools such as Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. Now, any actions you take as this page may be visible to anyone else who manages it. That is why it is good. When you take an action, when you give someone access and the person takes an action here, any other person, you can see what the person is doing. That is why you should use this feature. So next, when you click on next, you will be given this page. First of all, you should have by now been friends with the person you want to give access. So if you are not yet a person's friend, please be the person's friend on Facebook so that you can add the person easily. So all you just need to do is type the person's name, and when it brings out the name, what you need to do is select the name you want to give access to. So you can see list of names. So just select the one you want to give access to, and that is all you need to do. Just give access, and that's all you need to do. You can see, click. When you click, it gives you this option, which is, do you want the access of this person to be task oriented? Of course, what task do you want to give the person? Content, you want the person to create, manage, or delete posts, stories, and more as page? Or you want the person to respond to direct messages and make calls as the page? Maybe sometimes you are not available and you're always busy. You want someone to be there responding to messages for you. You can do that. Or you want someone who will review and respond to comments, remove unwanted comment, and report activities in your community. Or you just want someone who is going to create ads for you, manage and delete ads for the page. Or you just want someone that will see the page, insights, content, and ads platform. So whatever it is you want, you select. The good thing is you can select only one, you can select all of them, and you can select even just one as the case may be. So depending on what you want the person to do for you, you select and you give access. So the person will be sent a message on Facebook notification to accept the access, and that is what you need to do. So it is always important to know what you are doing, to be very careful about what you are doing.